Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly set up a header, footer, and dynamic page numbering in your reports using the MaxPrint V2 plugin for Oracle Apex. Let's start in the Apex Page Designer. As you can see, we have a MaxPrint V2 plugin already set up in a new application. For plugin settings, we have selected Create Action and used a simple Select SQL query for employee details like ID, name, and salary from our database. Let's hit Save and run the application. We press the MaxPrint button named as Testing in our case to open the MaxPrint Report Designer. Once the MaxPrint Designer loads, we'll start with a blank template. Let's grab a table component from our left menu and drag it onto the canvas. Before binding our data, let's open up the Test Data tab just to verify that our JSON structure is coming through correctly from the Apex query. Everything looks good, so let's close that. Now, let's select our table, go to the right Properties panel under Layout, and increase number of columns of our table to match our data fields. Now click Data Property and then click Bind Data. We'll choose our imported data report array. We can map the data by clicking into each cell, hitting Bind Data, and matching it to our fields: employee ID, first name, last name, and salary. Let's quickly rearrange the columns so employee ID is first, and add clean text headers above them. Let's hit Preview to see how it looks. Perfect! Our data is rendering beautifully across multiple pages. Now let's add the header. Go back to the editor, grab a text component, and drop it right at the top of the page. Let's change the text to "This is header." To make it look professional, go to the Styling tab. Let's bump the font size up to 20, center the text alignment, and choose a clean text color. We'll also change the header's background color to give it a distinct header look. Next, let's do the exact same thing for the footer. Drag another text component, but this time place it at the very bottom of the page layout. We'll update the text to "This is footer." Just like the header, let's go to Styling, change the font size to 20, center it, change the text color, and change the background color. Let's hit Preview to see how our header and footer looks like. Perfect! Both our header and footer are rendering beautifully across multiple pages. Now, let's make the page numbers dynamic. If we check our parameter management, you'll see MaxPrint automatically provides default parameters for page_count and page_number. To use them, let's drag a new text component in our footer region and align it to the right side. Under the Data tab, click Bind Data and select page_number. MaxPrint will insert the page_number parameter. Now we can manually edit the text box string to say page_number of, and then bind the total page_count parameter right next to it. Let's click Preview one last time to see the final result. And there you go. As we scroll through the pages, you can see our stylized header and footer appear perfectly on every single page, along with dynamic page numbering, updating seamlessly from page 1 to page 3. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next video!